Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. This is our Japanese 40-day movement that we're working on. We've done the bushing, it's been cleaned, we've redone the bushes as necessary. I'm starting to put the movement back together again. Both the springs are in there. The first wheel on the strike side I've got in. We're going to have to put all the wheels in individually because the hour wheel here has to sit under all the other wheels, so we can't put them in like we normally do and then drop the motion works on top of it. It's not going to work that way, so we've got to put them in one at a time. It's going to take a bit longer. We'll spend more time lining up the bushes and the pivots, but that's the way it is. Okay. Going side, we'll put the first wheel in. Get it down as close as we can. Have to open the plates up a little bit to let it in. Let's see how we go getting it aligned. Drop down again, take them up. Has to go. I think I'm going to have to pull that up a bit higher to get that in. Under there. That's pretty close. Okay. Look at the top and bring the pivot back to there. Right, now we've got to get this one done again. Line up the plates. First wheels come out, put it back in again. Got him. Okay. That's right. We've got the first wheel there. That's looking better. Right, we'll continue to add wheels up on the going side till we get them in. Okay, next wheel. In the pin, in the bushing there. Once again, open the plates up. That pivot into the bush. Hold it tight. Round. Check all the other ones. Here we go, we're getting there. As you can see, right, the next one is the escape wheel. That's the escape wheel. That's the escape wheel. The escape wheel. All right, open the plates again. Escape wheel in, the base, check the top pivot, realign any pivots that have dropped out while we're opening and spacing the plates. That one. Almost there. That one. Got him. Going side. Over to the strike side. Realign the pivots that have jumped out. There we go, a little bit tight, got him. And the going side. Now we'll put in the wheels on the strike side. We got him in. Pivot in there, open the plates, everything will drop out. We'll put them all back in again. It's a good experience. And that is that one. Pop the first wheel back in again. Oh, we've dropped the escape wheel's dropped out. We'll leave that to last. It's in. That one's in. Hold the plates together. Right. Going train. It's still right. This is the rack hook right here. That pin, when you put the gathering pallet back on, before you hammer it down to keep it firm, that pin has to fall